Hvis nu de havde sat det ud på jorden omvendt, så kunne vi have haft resten.
Hey guys, we're here at the warehouse packing a truck going to Kiev, and we're sending lots of things today, really a lot of things. We're sending 11 pallets, yes I said 11 pallets of animal food going to different receivers. Some of it goes to ourselves, something goes to Four-Legged Santa Project, some goes to Planet of People, Defacto Humanity, and some goes to There's a Cat Crew, because there's a big draft of cat food in Ukraine at the moment. And behind me you see lots of furniture going to a volunteer house in Kramatorsk for an organization, some German frontline medics. They got a house and they need furniture, so we're sending them furniture. And you see here behind me trench candles, around 700-800 trench candles going to Planet of People, April, Defacto Humanity, and toys, lots of toys going to the Four-Legged Santa Project. And besides that, we're sending military stuff to some military guys in Zhytomyr, and lots of furniture for Irpin City Hall, office furniture. They use it in schools, universities and places like that. So the warehouse starting to get empty again. And Andre and Ivan is here with me, helping. So lots of stuff, guys, lots of stuff. It's a huge truck. So that's great. Thanks to everybody who donated and made this possible. Have a nice day, guys.